Here's how to create a frame on Figma. So you'll just need to have your design ready already in here. So since we have set that one up, we could see here onto the upper part, there are different tools. So this one or this specific button that we have in here, these are actually the frame. So you can see the frame button in here. And the reason why we're adding this is because this serves as the fundamental containers for your content. So this will help you organize and structure your projects effectively. They are essential for maintaining a coherent layout, especially in UI or UX design, where content placement and alignment are critical. So click onto that, or you have also here a shortcut key, which is letter F. So if you click onto that one in here, as you can see, our pointer suddenly turned into a cross tab. So let's try to zoom this one in so that we could add in our frame in here. So let's add in a simple frame here onto the bottom part. After creating the frame, you could actually adjust its size and position and style by selecting it. So just need to simply click onto this one. So it is actually named frame 1, or you could just simply click onto this frame in here and you can adjust it here onto the properties panel on the right hand side. So as you can see, we have here the dimension of 223 and the height of 80. So you could update that one. Let's try it on 90. So as you can see, it has changed to 223 and 90, and you could also rename this frame. So let's just right click onto that, and then right after you'll have the option in here to rename it, or you could use the shortcut key of Control plus R. So if you click onto that, we'll have the option to frame. So let's rename it to a rectangle frame, and then click on enter, and that's how you create a frame here on Figma.